Hey guys, I got some feedback on the previous video I made, a how-to video to convert ESX script to QBCore, and people still have issues doing it and stuff like that, so I figured I got a customer request converting a script from ESX to QBCore. It's a fairly small script, so I'm going to record me doing that and try to explain the process of what I'm doing. And maybe we'll see if this video will make it easier for you to convert your scripts by yourself. So first off, this is the script. It's called ESX Anonymous. First off, we have the old resource file. Nowadays we use FX manifest instead, so I'm going to rename that to FX manifest. And basically what you need to do then is you need to you need to add a FX version, which is Cerulean as the latest version currently. Cerulean, and then you need to add a game, which is going to be GTA 5. And that's what you need to do. And I'd like to also add Lua 5.4, so Lua 54, and then yes, to tell the script that we are working with the latest version of Lua. So, items. Yeah, this is creating items to use as for the script, and ESX uses items as a database or a table in the database, and in QBCore we use it as metadata inside our shared folder. So what we'll do is we'll create a readme instead. A new file, readme.md. And we'll do something like this. Add this to your shared items.lua. And what we need to do then is, first off, let's copy the items, which is these two, nothing fancy for now. And then we want to actually grab, let's see, so we want to grab a little part from our core. So we'll have a look at the core. Give me a second. Here's the core, QBCore, shared items. And we can just copy any item, basically. I'll copy the bomb diffuser and use that as a template for us. So copy that one back to our document. And there's our bomb diffuser, but it's going to be called fake banking card. Name fake banking card, and then we'll have a fake banking card, and an image. We don't have that, so you can add any image you want, but we'll use just nothing basically for now. We'll leave it like this. Unique is false. That should be fine. Usable, yes. I think it's going to be usable. We'll see though. Should close, yeah, probably. Combinable, nil, and descriptions. So we'll add the description like a fake banking card, like that. And the first item is done. And then we'll add the other item, which is the USB hacked. So we'll add that there, and here we'll do a USB hacked. Wait, that's fine. PNG should close A, and this is going to be called hacked USB drive. So these are the two items that we need. So then what we do is just copy it, go back to our core, and then we'll add them at the bottom, right there. Now they're added, which is going to work. Let's make sure we added the commas. They look like they're supposed to. Very good. So now we have items. So let's continue. We can remove the SQL since we don't need that anymore. Manifest looks okay, but not everything we need for now. So I'm not sure what the locales are called in QBCore. QBCore. Let me cheat a bit and check some of my other script that is using it. It is called, where is it? Here, shared scripts. So we'll add that to, we don't have any shared scripts, no? Shared scripts. Oops, that's not the table. That's the table. And we'll add that part right there. So there we go. And core shards, yes. And then we can delete this one as well. Oops. And we need to add the OX MySQL, since that's what we're using for MySQL statements. So that is at OX MySQL /lib/mysql.lua and end with a comma. So now I have locales, which is right here. Config. Yeah, should be good. I don't know why people insist on doing stuff like this. You can just add it to the share, then you don't have to add it in both places. So let's see. There we go. Now we're going to check the config real quick, and yeah, this should work off the bat. Nothing ESX inside of here. So let's start with the client side, and we'll move all the way to the top. And in ESX we have these keys. That's fine. That's not really needed. ESX equals nil is not something we need. So we'll delete that. And right here we have a thread that grabs this. In QBCore we not use it like that, so we'll do QBCore equals, maybe we should continue with this pretty setup that he's using, equals exports. Damn it, it's not going great. QBCore and then a colon get core object. Okay, and then that does the same as this one. So we can delete this part. And then we have get player job data. So I would say a better way of doing this is so this is going to, well, even if we add the QBCore instead, so QBCore.functions.get player data and then job.name is going to be the same as the ESX one. But this is going to give an error when the player is connecting because he doesn't have a job name until he's chosen the character. So basically what we'll do is we'll do something like this instead. While true do, and we'll do a wait right here for like 1 second, that's fine. And then we'll do if local player dot state dot is logged in, then this checks if we have chosen a character or not. And if we have, then we want to run this loop while QBCore equals nil. Yeah, so this is going to triggers basically, yeah, this, wait, this is redundant as hell for now. So if config show equals true, then blips config blips umap blip. Okay, that's not how you do those anymore. Let's check the locales. En. So no, it's going to be something like translations equals and a table. And we're actually going to cheat a little bit, so we are going to use it like this. And we'll name this info equals a table, like that. And we're not going to use the lang at all, because we don't know, maybe he's using a old QBCore version and then he can't use the lang. So we'll use that instead. Translations, info, and then we can use those. Maplib anonymous base, okay. Okay, I get it. So we'll do translations dot map dot info dot map underscore flip, like that. And we can remove this part entirely. So that makes us add these. Translation, that's, no, we misspelled it, translations. So that's a global, so we can grab that inside of the script. Let's continue. Has exited marker, zone current action, ESX UI menu close all. Well, no. I don't think we need this one at all, so I'm going to comment that for now. If zone equals get card. This is translations.info.open get card. And current action data, which is not even being used currently. And here I have another one, translations.info open get money. And let's continue hack zone. It's going to be translations.info.hackzone. And film. Same goes here, translations. Trans.info.closefilm. And right here as well. Translations.info.openfilm. Okay, blips at QBCore, that's fine. Yeah, that's all fine. And this is a lot of commented code, so let's just remove that since that's not even being used. Let's see, what is this? Okay, while true do, we have a thread. We don't need citizen. I don't like that. Chords, get entry chords, get the head. You're supposed to do it this way. It's affecting less on the server. Equals get player ped ID. And get entry chords from X player is in marker false for KV in config zones. Get distance between chords. That's not something we use at all. That's not good. So let's see. We have. We'll do something like this. So we have basically local v.position. Oh yeah, I get it. So we'll do local x distance equals, and then you use hashtag instead. Get distance between chords is bad, don't use it. Chords, and then we do minus another vector 3, so vector 3, and then we place v. Oh yeah, basically we place all of these inside of there. Like that. And then what we want to do is we'll delete that and use x distance instead. If x distance is less than v size plus 0.5, then yeah. And we're getting an error somewhere, and I'm not sure where and why. X, Y, Z. If and for while oh yeah, it's this one. It's in marker, current's okay. Current mission get this. This is another one. So I don't know why he's using that. It is better to just replace it. So 4kV, we go through there. We can use the same one again. So we'll do x distance equals, then we have the same hashtag chords minus a vector 3. The chords that we grabbed up here are when you do get into the chords, you get it as a vector 3. So that's fine. An even better way would be to have current mission position. This is a config file, I believe. I'm not sure. Actually, let's see. It says nil. It's not equal to nil. Yeah, I don't know. But you can have these as vector 3s right off the bat. And then we don't need to do this. We just do chords minus and whatever he called the minus current mission position. So copy that into there. And then we change this one to x distance. Right there. And then in marker, true is in marker, has already marked, is in marker last time. Yeah, that's fine. Trigger event, that's fine. It's fine, fine. This one has exit marker. Comment that one out because that's not how we use the menu for now. But we might need to actually do the post menu. No, it's fine. It's fine. So I have a wait in a while. This is being run every frame, so let's see what this is. This control just press key is E. Yeah, that needs to be run every frame, otherwise you can't press the button. Display stream help. Yeah, here we need to do a change. Translations.info.close film. And the same goes for this one. So translations.info.openfilm. Get card as a limited loader, that's fine. Let's go back to natives. We don't need to run this every frame or every 5 frames. So we'll put the wait a bit longer. This is a wait of 10 seconds. Task play anim, get player ped. Should be fine. We're not doing this for improving the MS on the script. We're just converting it, so we'll not put our heads too much, but a better idea would be to actually rewrite these as variables, but let's not do that now. Wait, one not done loaded. I'll put a little bit more time to that one. That's fine. Go back to natives, skip it tasks. Get distance between chords. It's using that one again. So we'll do local, wait. Yeah, let's just redefine it. Whatever x distance equals. So hashtag, which makes it number, and then we'll do vector 3 with these 3 values, and then minus vector 3 with these values. Right there. and then we just need to actually bring X distance with us instead. Hack zone, request unnamed dictionary, that's fine. Holy shit, it's a lot. And another wait for 10 seconds, clear ped tasks, that's fine. Current missing position, math.random. Missing position, that's fine. Get data at bit for courts, fine. Yeah, that's it for the client. That should be done. So let's go into the server. And ESX equals nil. Yeah, you remember, guys, we do QBCore equals exports QBCore. This is how we get to use the QBCore framework. Get core object right there, and delete this one, which is the same but for ESX. And let's start having a look here. So we'll have item name, fake banking card is get player from ID. No. So we rewrite this to qbcore.functions.getPlayer and then underscore source is the same. Source is defined up here. qtty get inventory item dot count. So this is going to be xplayer dot functions dot get item. No, sorry, has item, and then the item name, and then you use the amount instead. This is for QBCore. QBCore xplayer, which we took here, functions has item, item name, which is fake banking card, and then amount, how many of them we have. If quantity is more than one, okay, so yeah, this is not how I would do that, but okay, if quantity is bigger than one, functions dot add item, item name and one. Yeah, start mission, source, item name, source, and same thing right here. qbcore.functions.getPlayer from source. Quantity, we rewrite that to functions.hasItem, item name, and then .amount. Right? If quantity is more than 0, then we want to remove it. So the remove is going to be functions dot remove item. I believe it is. I might be wrong. Isn't it remove item? Let's check just to make sure that it is. So functions dot remove. Yeah, it is remove item. And it is add item. Yeah, it is. And the other one was has item and dot amount in the end. Huh. Well, that's not a lot. Wait, I have written that dot has item. I have that in some other scripts, I believe. Don't I? That's interesting. Let's see if we do dot amount. Just to make sure. Get item by name. Oh yeah. Get item by name. Okay. So not has item, sorry. So then we'll go in and change that. Get item by name. And right there as well. There we go. And then we have remove item and add item. Functions dot add item. USB hacked, 1 tree client event. Yeah, that's fine. And add event handler, ESX anonymous, and mission function distance. That's fine. USB hack source, and the same goes here. So QBCore.functions.getPlayer from source. And quantity, yeah, that was functions.getItem by name, item name, and then .amount. And if quantity is more than 0, then we have the remove item, which is functions.remove item. And it removes all of them. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, and then gives money. Okay, I get it. Times the quantity. Yeah, okay. So this is going to be functions dot what is it? Is it add money? I don't remember. Let's search for it. So we'll have functions dot add money. Yeah, it is add money, and then this is black money. And in this we don't have that, so we'll add it to the cache, right? That's fine. Cache, config money amount, quantity, distance divided by 1500. So there we go. That's the entire script converted to QBCore. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else that I should teach you, if you want me to do more conversion and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys later. Take care.